Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can switch scenes in OBS with hotkeys. So, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually set a hotkey in order to do this. Now, if you want to proceed, of course, you also want to create multiple scenes right here. And then the first thing that we want to do is to just click on the settings for OBS. It will then show this pop-up menu. So you could select hotkey. In here, you have a lot of hotkeys that you could go ahead and simply customize. But for us, we want to scroll down. And then you want to navigate through the scenes option, which is going to be this one. Now, in my case, I'm going to be binding my switch key to this specific button right here. Let's click apply, click OK. And if we hit that specific button, it will actually switch my scene right here. Now, I cannot go ahead and directly show it to you because it will actually turn off my screen recording, but that's simply how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.